Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this exceptional Suzuki Marauder 125, registered the 26th of September 2007 on a 57 plate with only 1,324 miles and presented in black. This popular and desirable learner legal 125 cruiser is outstanding condition and a credit to its former keeper, benefiting from additional extras which includes engine bars, side panniers and sissy bar. The Suzuki Marauder 125 offers a big bike feel, road presence and Japanese build quality and reliability. With its low seat height of just 680 mm and lightweight chassis, these are always in high demand. This desirable cruiser would leave us serviced where required with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT and 3 months warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional peace of mind. We are able to deliver this bike anywhere in the UK and offer a wide selection of finance options. Please note we have a small admin fee of £75 on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 0142444 4448, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.